everyone, I'm here again to answer another question from a parent. So, another parent is asking for help to solve this word problem that involves ratio. Are you ready? Let's begin. Here's the problem. Macy served muffins, cookies, and donuts at the party. The ratio of the number of muffins to the number of cookies to the number of donuts was 3 is to 2 is to 4. There were 24 muffins. A. How many more donuts than cookies did Macy serve at the party? B. How many baked goods did Macy serve at the party? So, to represent the number of muffins, cookies, and donuts, we need to draw the model. For the muffins, we will represent them using 3 units. For the cookies, 2 units, and 4 units for the donuts. Again, this is because the ratio of the number of muffins to the number of cookies to the number of donuts was 3 is to 2 is to 4. Since there were 24 muffins, we will label the 3 units representing the number of muffins 24. How many more donuts than cookies did Macy serve at the party? Now we will label the 2 units that represents the difference between the number of cookies and the number of donuts with a question mark. Since we have equal units here, we can use the unitary method. And in using unitary method, we know that we have to start with what we know. So we know that 3 units are equal to 24. So to get what 1 unit is equal to, all we need to do is to divide 24 by 3. And the answer is 8. So since now we know that 1 unit is equal to 8, we can now compute for 2 units. 2 units would be equal to 16 because 2 times 8 is equal to 16. Macy served 16 more donuts than cookies. So now we can erase the question mark in the bar model and change that into 16. Now let's go to the next question. How many baked goods did Macy serve at the party? To represent this, we need to use a bracket and put that on the side and make sure that it covers all the units in the bar model. And we will mark that with a question mark because as of now, we still do not know the total number of baked goods that Macy served at the party. So since we know that 1 unit is equal to 8, we need to count the number of units that we have for the total. So that's actually 9 units. 3 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 9 units. So to get what 9 units are equal to, all we have to do is to multiply 9 by 8. And the answer is 72. Macy served 72 baked goodies at the party. So there you have it. I hope this video was able to help you solve word problems using the bar model method. Now, if you're wondering how else can you learn more about this, I have the perfect bar model method on-demand webinar for teachers and parents who would like to learn how to empower their kids or their students to solve word problems using the bar model method. Here, you will learn what the bar model is and the different kinds of bar models and when to use them. You will also learn how to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division bar models in solving word problems. We will also tackle one-step, two-step, and multi-step word problems in this on-demand webinar. So, if you're interested, all you have to do is to scan the QR code that we have here. Now, if you need drills for your students or your children, this book is for them. The Singapore Math Bar Model Method book. What is so good about this book is that it contains QR codes that will lead you to the videos of the explanation of how to solve these word problems using the bar model method. Interested? All you have to do is to scan the QR code right here.